Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Ay, come on. Sabi niya pa, saan ka pa?
Mine.
Come on.
Come on.
Hi, guys.
I say.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Come on.
I say.
Hello, everyone. Come on.
Come on.
Say, let's go.
Yes, so.
Good is the morning. Tutuloy namin yung YouTube namin ni Jam sa account niya. Tumating sila kahapon. Nag-rent kami ng sasakyan. Hanggang 5:30 ngayong araw. Sabi ko sayang kung di namin gagamitin. Punta kami ng...
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Want to see?
Animals.
We will go. Animals. Yes.
Yes.
I know.
Let's go na.
Malaki ka na dyan.
Hey. What's this? Baby de. Iいですか?
Tanong mo si baby ko.
ありがとうございます。バイバイ。Ah. Kanya swak. Ay, ang ganda. Beaver.
What's that?
What's that? Beaver. Beaver.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Pig! Ay, pig! Look ah! There! 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 Ah! Pasha! Come here! Look! Say hi!
Ayun siya.
Do you want... Pasha, do you want to touch it? You want to touch the pig?
Touch.
Steps niya.
Hi, pig. Come on.
Hi! 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 Hi!
Ay, ay. Ano sabi ng pig? Ay, ay.
Oink, oink, oink. Pig ba to? Pig to, di ba?
Boar.
Ah!
Boar ah.
Yay!
Ay.
Gusto niya.
Ay.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa ite? Konnichiwa. Hazukashi. Konnichiwa. 同じぐらいかな。何歳
1歳半です。
ああ、1歳2ヶ月です。
もうしっかり歩けて。
ね
Galing nga daw maglakad.
No. 同級生やね。同級生。
同級生
うんそう、同級生ね。あ、フィリピンです。でも
お
ここ
上手ですね
ここに住んでるから。
あ、そうなの。すごいびっくりした。
そう。
Next tayo, cougar walk.
どこ
Ayan. Lagay ko muna dito. Sandali. Cougar.
What? It's a big cat. Look. Meow. Sabi niya meow.
Meow? Is that a cat?
Hi. Fasha, that's a lion yan?
Cougar.
Ha?
Cougar.
Ano yun?
Ano? Feline din na. Feline
Hindi
din.
ko alam yun. Parang first time.
First time mo narinig ang cougar?
Oo. Hindi, alam ko siya. Pero,
Pusa
first
rin.
time ko siyang makita ng
Mukha lang-
ganito. Tapos mukha lang din siyang...
Leopard. Ganun.
Oo. Leopard na lion. It's a big cat.
Big cat.
You want to touch? Fasha, you want to touch? Oh, you touch. 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 No, siya ito-touch daw niya. Same ang itsura ng lalaki ko, guys.
Hindi ko alam. Hi.
First time ko to. Ko. Ang scary niya, no?
Laki nila.
What?
What's that?
Parang hamster. Ano to?
Oo nga eh. Prairie dog? Prairie dog?
Black
Puma.
tailed.
Cougar is
Parang-
puma din pala.
Ah, puma.
Same lang. Para namin ginagawa. to.
First time ko makita nun.
Yun yung ano namin, stroller namin. Went in Japan.
You're safe. It's
What's
a
that?
puma.
What's that?
Ay, puma din ba to?
Puma din ako.
Say hi. Say hi. Pero boss, ay, tatawa siya. Ba't mo tinatawanan?
What's that?
Anong dog?
Yeah.
Ano bang dog yan? Ay, say flying kiss. Say flying kiss.
Say bye-bye.
Baboy talagang alis siya, no? Look, there's tiger.
Tiger. Cat. Come, big cat. Big cat. Big cat.
Look, ha?
Yun, oh.
Wow! You're not scared? Ang laki. Hi! It's a juice. Ay, juice. It's a tea.
Giniginaw na kasi siya. Kailangan makumutan. Namumutan na siya medyo. So for now, mag-stroller muna siya. Ngayon, lalabas kami kasi sayang ang punta dito kung ginawa kasi sa labas. Kaya dito kami. May payong, oh. Meron ng free to borrow umbrellas.
Ginaw!
Let's go, Super Mom.
Ah! Ay, wow!
Ay,
bear! Wow!
Gulat ako dun, ah.
Bear!
It's a bear. Look, oh.
What? It's a bear! Wow, yeah, it's a bear. Did you see the bear? You wanna see the bear? Wow,
Maliit
that's
ng bear.
the bear.
Maliit yung bear nila.
Cutie bear. Where's the bear? Ay, hot? Yes, it's hot, anak. Ano yun?
What's that?
Ano yun?
What's that?
Bear. Can you say
bear?
Bear.
Ay, may sheep.
Ay, wow! You can feed the sheep, anak ko. Ay, ito pala, oh, sheep snack.
May pagkain. Doon bibili.
Ayoko
May
talaga ng
papakain.
mga ice nila.
Pero, alam mo, gumagawa sila ng... Minsan ginagawa nilang demonic ang mga sheep. Eh, di ba? Ang sheep. Parang ano
May
yun,
may
Jesus
ano din
Christ.
naman, may sign din.
Kambing
Yung sa
pala.
mata niya, oo.
Kambing pala.
Ay, ano to?
Alpaca.
Alpaca.
Alpaca. Conflict yung ano, kilay niya. Nakagano, no?
Kunin mo yung gano'n, no, para siya mag-feed si Pasha. Okay. Good job! One more? Wow, very good! One more.
Oh, last na.
Last one. Whoops! Whoopsie! Natakot na siya. Sa kanya? Oo. Anong papoy? Dito.
Yay! Are you okay, Pasha? Are you having fun?
Kabit mo sa kanya tong sa akin.
Vloggeries. Okay, don't touch me. Okay, let's go.
That's all. Mine.
Let's go.
That's all.
Let's go, baby.
Mine.
Come on.
I say.
Hi, guys. Come on.
I say.
Hello, everyone. Come on.
Come on.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Come on.
Basta may leaves.
Hi.
Halaman na. Flower na agad.
Hi.
Ano dito? Under construction.
Hi.
Yung exhibit is under construction. Please enjoy.
Hi. Why?
Happy Bara. Wow. Happy Bara. Yay!
Yay! Yay!
Sige, pwede naman. Pero kasi baka, sundan mo ha. You want to walk? Walk?
Walk.
Okay, let's walk.
Walk. Walk. Walk.
Wow. Kumakanta siya. Walk, 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 walk in the
In
night.
Walk. Walk.
Walk, walk.
Ay, ako. Go, go, go. Dal-dal na niya.
Apay!
Snacks? Wala naman ata.
Apay!
Tingin niyo nakakain. Ano pindot mo?
Wow! Anong?
Nag-dive na.
Dati yung alcohol. Yung capybara.
Akibila ko. Wow! 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 Wow!
Saan na kayo?
Wow!
Go! Let's go.
That one, oh. That one, oh. Say hi.
Hi!
Kita niya.
La 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 la. I see right
Wow!
swimming.
Uy! Galing.
Sea lion.
Swimming.
Galing. What's that? That's your favorite. It's penguin.
What's that?
Penguin, di ba? Favorite mo pinapanood.
Mama.
Penguin. Ano? Penguin. You say penguin.
Wow!
Ito kami sa
Ay!
Otter Sanctuary.
Ay!
Hipan Public Experience.
Hey! Hey!
Can you say otter? Otter.
Mama! Ay!
Ay, ano ka? Nakata ka? Ang happy niya. Ano siya?
Ay!
Ay! Nasabi ng ate?
Ano sabi ng otter? Kuha niya.
Ginagaya niya. Siguro ganun
No, no, no.
Ikaw, pakagana. Say hi.
Where is it? Wow, yun. You touch, you touch. You touch.
Hi. Can you say hi?
Bye-bye.
Bawal.
Wow!
Wala. Don't feed this up. Ang laki ng bahal, oh.
Wawa! Wawa!
Right side. Ito, ah. Ayun, oh.
Watson.
May unggoy akong nakita. O salamin lang yung nakita ko. Ayan, tropical forest. What is this? Say, bush dog.
Di ba yan sasampa dito?
Kaya nga,
Oo.
robust pala.
Oo. Do you want to touch? No, you
No,
can't
you
touch.
can't touch that. Wow. Mini bird.
Ano yan?
Oo nga, no?
Ano, no,
Tropical
no, no,
kasi
no.
yung mga hayop. Ibon malo, kanan. Kaliwa. Ayun.
Hindi sila lumilipad.
Insect. Ay,
Let's wait.
wala naman anak eh.
Ayun, ano?
Mema lang eh. Pwede ba dyan? Ano ba yan? Libre ba? Ay, tawa. May takki ah. Takki ba yun? Buntot? Buntot yan oh. Ah, buntot. Touch? Pasha, touch? Hindi naman siya takot na takot. Lalayo lang siya.
Up there. Wow.
Ayun, ang daming ibon oh. Sa gilid. Yan siya at I like to move it. Up. Visible mga tao. Sleepy?
Meron pang Asian forest.
Meron pa? Tingnan mo to.
Like chicken, right?
What's that? Bird. Bird. Can you say bird? Wow. Ano kaya to? What?
Ano yan?
Tapir?
Tapir.
Tapir.
Tapir. Ay, di alam yung apir.
Tapir.
Can't really.
Tapir. Tapir.
Tapir.
What's that?
Ano yan? What's that? It's a meow meow? It's a cat. Yeah.
What's that?
It's a duck.
Quack, quack. Ready? Tara.
Look, they're eating. Oh, they're coming. Hi.
Ay, may isda din.
May fish. Oh, there's a fish. Ang sabi ng fish?
Oh,
Ang sabi ng fish?
oh,
Oh.
oh. Quack, quack.
Fish. That's a fish.
Wow, wow. Oh, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Ayan na. Ayan naman, ayan na. Kanan.
Wow, look. Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Good job. One more.
Ayan na.
Quack, quack.
Wak.
Quack, quack.
May isa pa.
Quack, quack.
Grabe yung hangin. Grabe yung hangin. Ang lakas. Look at there. Look. Oh, there, ayan na.
Wow, wow. Bye-bye.
Big bird.
Nagulat siya. Sabi ng cat?
Red panda. Panda. Can you say panda?
Panda.
Can you say panda? Panda. Panda.
Tingnan mo dyan. Yun. Ayun. Ayun, dalawa sila. Oh. Daddy ko na.
Ang daddy. Mamukha ko ba yan?
Meow. Mukhang pusa ba?
Oo, mukhang po.
Meow.
Baba ko to ah.
Wow! What a bite! Wow!
Ayan. Isa pa. Ito.
Meron na yan eh.
Wala pa.
Ah, okay.
Look at here pa siya. Ayan, smile. Select 2. Yung malaki. Yan na lang.
Yan na.
Oo. Get na namin yung picture.
Yan!
Ah, meron na? Lumalabas na? Yay!
Ano mo na yan?
Eh?
Eh, inan mo muna sana yung heater. Ito.
We are done.
Bye-bye!
Di mo na kami bumili ng stuff toy kasi marami siyang stuff toy pero kumuha kami nito.
Ano
Photo
yan?
group.
Who's that?
Group photo. Yun lang.
Nalalamig na siya.
Sana matuloy-tuloy namin next week ulit. Weekly kami mag-post from here.
Really?
Diary.
Really?
Walang tiwala yung asawa ko. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Really? You say really?
Really?
Really?